Welcome back, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of tomato plant anatomy. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding the structure of your tomato plants can help you nurture them to their fullest potential. So, let's dive in. At first glance, a tomato plant might seem like just a tangle of leaves and stems. But if we take a closer look, we'll discover a complex and intricate anatomy that's essential to the plant's growth and productivity. Let's start from the ground up. The roots of a tomato plant anchor it in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. They also provide stability and support, ensuring the plant stays upright as it grows. Above the ground, we find the stem, which serves as the main highway for water, nutrients, and sugars traveling between the roots and the rest of the plant. The stem also provides structural support, holding up the plant's leaves, flowers, and fruit. Now, let's talk about the leaves. The leaves of a tomato plant are where photosynthesis happens. They contain chlorophyll, the pigment that captures sunlight and converts it into energy, fueling the plant's growth and development. As the tomato plant grows, it produces flowers, which eventually give way to fruit. Each flower contains both male and female reproductive organs, allowing the plant to self-pollinate and produce fruit. And finally, we come to the fruit itself. The tomato is technically a fruit, though we often think of it as a vegetable due to its culinary uses. Tomatoes come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, but they all develop from the fertilized ovary of the flower. So there you have it, the anatomy of a tomato plant in a nutshell. By understanding how each part of the plant functions and contributes to its overall health, you'll be better equipped to care for your tomatoes and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Happy gardening!